Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating Snapchat so the latest appearance options are available. Open the app and tap your profile icon, then tap Settings. On iPhone, find App Appearance and choose Dark to enable Snapchat's night mode interface. Once done, Snapchat's UI switches immediately. Menus, chat screens, and icons will use darker colors to reduce glare. For many Android phones, you'll rely on the System Dark theme or the developer option to force dark. Make sure you know which path your device requires before moving. Now optimize the camera for night photos and videos. Open the camera view. If you need extra light, enable the torch so faces stay visible without harsh flash. Tap the subject to lock focus, then adjust the exposure slider, lower slightly to keep highlights under control, raise a bit if too dark. Once done, stabilize your phone, use a table or the one's timer to avoid blur. These actions don't change the app theme, but they let you capture cleaner snaps in low light while keeping the night interface active. Finish by testing. Take a snap, send or save it, and confirm the UI remains in night mode. If Snapchat's app appearance option isn't present, restart the app first. If needed, reinstall or verify your OS supports dark themes. Older Android builds may not. Make sure Snapchat has camera and flashlight permissions if low-light capture fails. If images are noisy, clear the app cache and try again. These steps fix most issues when the night interface or low-light camera behavior doesn't appear as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.